The DAMA collection relates to one of the world's most famous cities, delightful Venice. Boasting many wonders in the form of its palaces and squares, the waters of its lagoon are a unique heritage. LaFaenza is inspired by the sea, transferring to the medium of tiles the charm of bricola, dolphin wood. From the typical three-post nautical structure used to mark out waterways, DAMA is a taller post extending above the others. It is totally unique because, partly submerged in the seabed and partly exposed, it is in constant lasting contact with the water and the weather. LaFaenza started by recovering some dolphins and transforming the timber impregnated by brackish water and decorated with mollusks into a highly precious material with a technological innovation, combining the countless structures impressed on the surface and the graphics created based on the reference sample. The result is a premium porcelain stoneware, just 6.5 millimeters thick, and now a must for the brand. DAMA is an extremely realistic and chic product with a deep textured surface. It is produced in 5 warm natural shades and in a new strip size, the 20 by 150 centimeters. It is all completed with a proposal of small strips in all the colors casually mixed together, fitted on a grid, in the 20 by 74 centimeter format. The colors are almond, beige, dark beige, honey, and hazelnut. DAMA can also be coordinated in outdoor contexts, in the 30 by 120 centimeter strip, with a thickness of 20 millimeters. DAMA, the new wood effect collection from LaFaenza.